YouTubers, and welcome back. And today I'm going to try to squeak off that 9-second pass. I'll be happy with a 990 pass in the old S10. Like I said, these are home ported heads. Really, the bottom half is a good bottom half. The top half of this motor is just a budget build because it's home ported heads, stock heads. The intake is just your pretty much average run-of-the-mill small box Chevy intake on the LT1. So we're going to try to get this guy to run 9s today, hopefully. But the biggest hurdle is going to be getting past tech. And then if you get past tech, it's only going to be about 1 or 2 shots where they say you can't run anymore, because I do have no cage in this truck still. I'm getting to it. I know I need to, but that's what we're doing today. You are punctual.
I don't play games, bro. This is what time did I tell you I should be here? What time is it?
I think it's right around 7:30. My man. Hey, this is Jay right here. Hey, he's got a little Mopar. He's got his own channel. He can do some filming for me and for his channel. So we're gonna have a good time. If I break down, thankfully this man has my back.
Indeed, indeed. It's gonna be fun to watch you do what you do, so I can get a gauge on how fast I want to go.
Hey, you're gonna do it. I know you are.
I hope so.
Hey, he's got some good stuff, guys.
I hope so.
I'm gonna put a link to his channel description below.
Appreciate that, Tyler.
No problem, buddy.
Get this baby loaded up and ready to rock.
Let's do it.
All right. Thank you. I got a pen for you if you need it.
Sweet. I never have pens. All right, so luckily I made it through tech, which is usually the big hurdle with my S10. So we'll see how many runs I get and if this anti-roll is actually going to help. I just set it up the way they said in the videos that I watched, so hopefully that'll work out. Got new tires. If it'll 60, it should run a pretty decent time. So I'm going to heat up this bottle and we're going to give it a shot. All right, so I think the transmission's okay, but we think we found the problem. Move the tire. You can see that it is not moving the drive shaft. So we have a broken axle. I knew this day was coming with 28 spline axles. It just came sooner than expected. How's it going, buddy?
Jesus Christ.
How you feeling?
Good.
Just a motor pass, right?
Yeah.
Tell the people about your first time in a Pro Mod. How'd you like it? Even though you bogged like a mofo at the line.
It was fun.
Real fun.
Get a goal of 3 runs.
So where are we? We're at Broski's Garage right here. I still think Mopar Jay is gonna be a good channel for you.
You know, I'm seriously considering that. You actually really made me think about that, and
yeah, you can do it.
I am that close to changing some things up.
Oh wait, hold on, what's over here? What's over here?
This is a family heirloom right here. This is a 1990
Oh yes.
Dodge Dakota Sport. Came with a 318 from the factory, and for those of you guys who don't know why Tyler calls me Mopar Jay, I am a Mopar.
Oh, it's all
guy.
Mopar.
There's nothing but Mopars in here. So from the factory, these guys came with 230 crank horsepower, but in reality, it was like more like 245. This actually made more power than the 360 of 1994. Most people don't know that. This truck was built to compete with the Ford Rangers. I'm sorry, the Ford Lightnings at that time.
No shit, I didn't know
yeah,
that.
that's what Mopar put the Dakota out for in 93, 92. They made larger exhaust manifolds, so that actually outflows a long tube header.
Dude, that is a big exhaust manifold.
That's where everything came from. They got more power from that.
It's really great standings with this round thing right here. Just to go ahead and put a carburetor on there.
I mean, it would fit. It would fit. But the problem is, if you look over here, this is a killer. This is a 390 cubic inch stroker, set up for 2 snails that I got over there.
I'm just kind of lurking like in hot rod heaven over here, dude.
Everything's lurking.
Oh, look, look at this. He's got gas too.
Yeah.
You just became my new best friend.
This is kind of heavy, but I built this. I mean, this is a GM. This was a GM header, but as you look, it's got a Mopar flange on it, and it's tigged. So I took a long time practicing that, and I got some help from some guys. As you can see, I had to cut them up. I had to cut them up. I had to cut them up. Here's one that was of the original ones right here. So just showing you, we've got stuff.
Goodies you got, man.
Yeah, man, we got T3 flanges for days. I got a Kennel Bell supercharger right here.
Oh no shit.
Yeah.
Holy moly, dude.
Yeah. You already know what that stuff is because you've been here. You've seen me use that stuff. Yeah.
You got one. You got 2 more than I have. Hey, if you never need some help, some videos, I think the viewers.
I do need a
Hey, would you guys like to see this right here? I think I would love to see this thing right here. You're gonna put that motor in this?
Oh, absolutely.
Dude.
Absolutely. That's what it's for. That's literally what it's for. That motor, that transmission, the wheels for that are over here. They're sitting. These are 10.5W.
Oh my god.
Drag radios.
So you're gonna mini tub it?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah, definitely gonna tub it.
Holy crap.
Yeah, long tubes for the Hemi. Long tubes for the Hemi. I'm actually, so I'll show you another thing. So here's LS style GM headers, again, forward facing, which are eventually gonna go on that when I put a Hemi on that. So we're probably gonna end up cutting these up, mating these to it, and then doing front mounts for it. So there's always something lurking around in this garage. I'm always doing some type of a project.
Wait, does this move?
Yeah, this runs. This is my kids.
Can we drive it?
I gotta probably clean the carburetor on it.
I really want to take it off a sweet jump.
Yeah. No, you're not jumping my son's bike. No.
Come on, oh man.
No, you're not.
I can't break something else
No,
today.
you cannot break something else. But I think this is what you came here for. This is a 6.4.
It's got a super dampener too,
Yeah,
ATI.
we got the ATI damper on it. Stock water pump for now, but we're changing.
Wait, these are your new pistons, right?
Yeah, those are my new pistons. Yep, those are DSS pistons.
That's way better than some of the other ones I've seen because it's not really close to the ringland.
Yeah, I set it up.
Yeah,
I set it up right.
I like that.
I spec'd the piston out. I called up DSS. I worked with them, gave them the specs that I wanted, and they built me the piston that I wanted. So.
Yeah, look, your home job has pretty good hash marks in there. I like it.
Yeah, you know. There's a little tricks that have been done to this motor that a lot of people will be surprised about. I have no idea what it's gonna do, so I'm not gonna give you any guesstimations or whatever. We'll just say that it's being set up to run with 272 millimeter turbos. It's a very turbo friendly compression.
6.4 liters.
Yeah, and I just hope that it'll go faster than 1179.
Oh, yeah.
I just hope that it'll go faster than 1179. My best pass.
Hey, set your expectations low. Low.
My best
and you'll
pass
never be
in the car
disappointed.
was 1179 on 100 shot. So if I can go faster than 1179 on 100 shot with 272 millimeter turbos, then I'm winning.
Hey, was
So
that not the best like tour of a awesome garage and projects? With cool shit everywhere.
There's a ton of projects in here.
Everywhere. Look, yeah, this piston sitting right here. This is like, this is awesome.
There's a ton of crap in here, man.
Ported heads. Look at this.
I ported those.
Everything.
On the bench. It reaches.
I'm not gonna lie, that one Chevy in that Mopar area looks good. Even though it don't move, it looks good.